My name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
and that's not Colin, because Colin is really busy. And he said, quick, I know you're here with one of your friends who's picking up some Scentsy, but you got to do a video because people need to know this. I did a video about 2 years ago telling people never to use this in their lint catcher in their dryer. Because I was all excited, and I'm a gadget person, and I got this cool brush, and I thought, oh, I can keep my new dryer all clean. And then we had this big service call because it was going boom, boom, boom. Well, here what you're doing is you're pushing down lint. Now, there's a lint lizard that sucks lint up, but that's no picnic either. We have that, and it's not, I've been using that. I haven't used this since. We use this for other stuff. But Colin saw this thing, and he's a gadget guy, and he said, I'm going to buy this because safety first. And that's when he came into the house and said, ladies, I'm going to stop and not clean this up, but you got to do a video because people need to know. So he bought this brush thing. This, not that brush, this other brush I'm going to show you in a minute. And he was inside the house, and he pushed it through the vent, which there's flexible that goes from the back of the dryer to the hole in the wall, which then goes to this long solid metal pipe, tube, about this big around. He looked in there and there was like nothing, but then he pushed the brush through, and oh my God, wait till you see. You need to get one of these, and then all the neighbors can take turns using it. You can split the cost and the whole 9 yards, but it's not even expensive. But what I'm saying is, you know, you need to use it, but share it with your friends so everybody can be safe. Now check this out. Is that, come on in, nice and good. Nice and slow though, or you'll make them dizzy. Look at that. And he only pushed it through once. And look at all of this. You could start a fire. And we don't want that at all. I mean, I'm the queen of the lint, okay? So, when I'm doing a load of laundry, like if I'm doing towels or something that I know is going to be like a little bit more linty, I'll like go in halfway before it's done, and I'll clear the lint thing there, thinking that of course, if it isn't blowing through lint, it's got to dry better. So I am the queen of lint. And apparently even the queen of lint has a dryer vent that is full of lint. So be safe. It's not something you put on a drill. He said you just twist it with your fingers and it goes through. It's long and it comes out like that. And isn't that like disgustingly wonderful that now we're going to be safe? Yay! So there you have it. Share this video. Be safe, okay? Spice Dawn says goodbye.